हाँ जी नमस्कार सर। ये हमारा है वाटर आयनाइजर माउंट धारा। मैं आपको इसका एक छोटा सा डेमोस्ट्रेशन दिखाऊंगा। ये हमारे कांच की ग्लास है जिसमें मैंने क्या ये पानी लिया आरओ का, जो कहेगी इस मशीन के अंदर जाएगा। और मैंने ये 2 ग्लास लिए, हमने क्या किया है प्रेस किया 9.5 pH। तो अभी आप देखेंगे कि ये जो पानी है इस मशीन के अंदर गया। अंदर जाने के बाद में प्रोसेस हुआ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस, एंड इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस होने से जो पानी के अंदर जो अशुद्धियाँ थी, जो नेगेटिव एलिमेंट थे वो नीचे से, और जो अच्छे एलिमेंट थे वो ऊपर से आ गए। तो आप ये देखेंगे 2 ग्लास में ये एल्कलाइन है और ये एसिडिक है। मैंने ये जो पानी था ये लिया और यहाँ आपके सामने रखा। मैंने इसको दोबारा बटन दबाया तो पॉज हो गया। अब आप देखेंगे कि ये एक ORP मीटर है जो आपके सामने मैं यहाँ पे डाल रहा हूँ। ये हमारे RO पानी है। इस पानी के अंदर आप देखेंगे मिलीवॉट पॉजिटिव आ रहे हैं। ये जो हमारा एसिडिक पानी है, सामने आ जाओ, इसमें क्या है कि आप देखेंगे ये पॉजिटिव है, लेकिन जब हम इसमें डालते हैं तो ये नेगेटिव आ जाता है। आप देखेंगे ये नेगेटिव क्या है कि आपको क्या 430-50 के करीब आपको ये सर्च दिखाई दे रहा है। तो ये पानी के नेगेटिव है, ये पानी मशीन का एसिडिक जो था वो पॉजिटिव है, और ये RO का भी पॉजिटिव है। तो ये पानी मशीन में गया तो ये आपका नेगेटिव ORP आ गया, मीन्स हेल्दी वाटर। हमारे पास में ये सॉल्यूशन है फेनोफेथिलिन। हम इस पानी को जब मशीन में RO पानी में डालेंगे तो दिस वाटर इज अ न्यूट्रल वाटर। In that water we have positive ions and negative element also. So in the process of electrolysis negative element जो होंगे वो यहाँ से due to anode rod acidic out हो गए. So in this water whatever the acidic input is there is separated by electrolysis process, and this one is a acidic. As per the WHO chart it comes from acidic input, and whatever the alkaline is it turns blue. So with the help of this machine we are doing electrolysis process, and this water convert into 2 streams. One is a alkaline and one is a acidic. Once again I am pressing this button, and this one is our RO water, this one is our alkaline, and this one is our acidic. So again we pause the machine. This one is a phenolphthalein solution. When you put in this normal tap water, nothing is happened. When you put in this acidic water, nothing is happened. But in this alkaline, you will feel that this water turn into pink color, because phenolphthalein solution have a chemical property. When the water goes above 8.4 pH, it turns pink. So in this, we are showing the properties of alkalinity. Now, this one is a turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. So when you put haldi, we put this type of turmeric in 2 glass. See, this one is a normal water, and this one is a normal water, and this one is a alkaline water. Sorry, this one is a haldi. We are just putting this water in this turmeric. So what will happen, you see, you will find the difference of colors. So ये जो हल्दी है, same हल्दी in 2 glasses, but with the normal tap water and with alkaline ionized water. And again we are showing this one is a alcohol. Alcohol, this is a vodka. When you take a vodka in a glass, and when you check the pH of vodka, means alcohol, you will find that it turns something about 4.5 pH. So it is injurious to liver and kidney. But when you put alkaline ionized water in this glass, you will see what will happen, the properties of alcohol. When you put this water, directly it converts in alkalinity. So if anybody who drinks alcohol, so with the help of this water you can enhance the pH of alcohol. So right now this one is a betadine. When you take a betadine in a glass, we are taking a betadine in 2 glasses. So, and I have this vitamin C tablet. So I'll show you that what is going. See, this one is a betadine, and I have put this normal tap water in this glass, and when we put this vitamin C tablet in this glass, what will happen when we stir this one? You will find that water turns again normal, means that it neutralize the acidic part. But in our machine, when I use this alkaline ionized water, you will find that when we put this water in a betadine drops, see, so with the help of this demonstration, we want to inform you that this vitamin C tablet turns normal betadine brown color to white one, and without any medicine, with the help of ionized water, it neutralizes the betadine solution, means acidic part. So this is the part of our demonstration. But suppose your body is acidic, when you come in the alkaline nature, means you will find that it turns blue color. See, it turns blue. When you, it's just a body of BP or diabetic patient, acidic, when it comes in alkalinity, it turns yellow. Same as it is, this one have a phenolphthalein solution, it turns pink if the pH goes above 8.4 pH. See, so this is the simple demonstration of our machine Mount Dhara. It's a 7-plated machine, and you can use this machine, and with the help of this machine, you can keep your body healthy and hydrated. Thank you.